Imagination is the key, and with Flexo you will see a Flexillion possibilities.
Incredible.
Welcome in, Flexo fam. Do you want to add a touch of Flexo to your Christmas tree this year? This is how to do it. Let's get started with a Christmas bell. What will you need to make your Christmas bell? Here are the parts on screen. And this is the colour scheme that we've used to make our Christmas bell, but you can do it in any colour you like. There's nothing else for it, Flexo fam. Let's get making. We're going to start off using T5 tendons and squares to make a nice little strand. We're going to create the sides of our bell in 4 parts. Now you attach a circle and 2 more squares. Then the bottom is attached with a T11 tendon. This looks a little bit funny at this stage, but it'll make sense when you start forming the shape of your bell. So there's 1 part done, and now you're going to make 3 more of those. Lay them out like we have here, and then take your T19 tendons and attach them the same way as this. Now it's time to assemble our bell. Real talk fam, this part is a little bit tricky, there's no doubt about it. You want to be delicate with the way that you handle your bell as you're shaping it. Sometimes the tendons are going to pop out, and you'll see that happens a couple of times here, but you just persevere, reattach them and carry on. Once you bring the final piece of the curve around, you can see now you've got a beautiful bell shape. Totally worth the effort. Now we're going to make the top of our bell. So for that, we need 5 circles, 4 triangles, and a couple of T19 tendons. So start by attaching a circle to all sides at the top of your bell. There's one of those tricky tendons again, just put it back into place. Now use another circle to lock it off and hold the tendons in place. Using the T19 tendons, you can create a loop so that you could hang this on your Christmas tree. On ours, we've decorated the top with a golden star. Now, as you can see here, you can shake this bell, but it sure ain't ringing. Now we're going to make the chime that goes inside the bell. Building with Flexo gives you the opportunity to make so many interesting geometric shapes, and this one is a beauty. Follow along with us here as we start to fold this into a shape. Again, this is a challenging part of the build, and you're going to need to hold your tongue just right. There it is. Attach around all sides and lock off as you go. Now look at this for a fantastic shape. So this is going to hang inside our bell shape. We're going to insert the T19 tendon into our chime. That will allow it to hang or be suspended inside our bell. It's a new technique and it's a clever way of using Flexo. You might need to use your multi-tool like we did to create a big enough opening so that you can fit the T19 in. Now you've got a suspended chime. Looking at the circle at the top of your bell, take the top of the chime and suspend it inside. And there you have it, a bell with a chime. Now you know the drill by now, it's time to dome it. Flexo Domes are a fantastic way of personalising and customising your build, so there's no right or wrong way to go about them. These domes will be out next month. If you want to be the first in the world to get your hands on them, make sure you sign up to our newsletter using the link below or on our website. And there we are. It feels a lot like Christmas today, Flexo fam. Maybe a little bit early, but we want to start getting prepared. So, if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss a video. We'll be dropping plenty more great Christmas ideas in the coming couple of months. So that's it for this video. Keep up with your imaginations, and we'll see you next week.